Anyway, Praveen, many congratulations. You deserve this and much more. You're like family. Practically now you are family. And there's no running away from that. But no, I'm proud. I'm proud to be associated with you. I love your sister. I'm proud to be getting married to her. And Kabir, awesome stuff. Well done. I respect you a lot. And we are family now. Mr. Hira, thank you for this wonderful recognition for part of my family. It's like recognition to all of us. And I'm really proud to be standing here for this wonderful event that empowers and felicitates and awards, recognizes women and their efforts, and just more power to them. Thank you very much. Have a great time.
Thank you, Afra. Well said.
Well, I firstly want to congratulate my sister. I'm incredibly proud of you. I think it's about time you got recognized for your strength, your courage, your independence. And growing up with her, obviously, she did nurture us. She was almost like a second mum as well. And I think all these qualities have kind of trickled down to the rest of the family, where we are all strong, independent women, but yet we can still be beautiful, elegant, and graceful, and have both. So thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being here. I request you all to
I remember when he started Stardust in the 70s, and he appointed Shobha, who was now known as Shobha Day, then known as Shobha Rajadaksh as the editor. And at that time she was nothing more than a model, and everyone was very surprised that he picked her, and she went on to become one of the most illustrious editors. And his ability to pick editors for his magazines and keep the flame of the magazine industry burning is unparalleled. And even today with Andrea here, we can see what fine people he's chosen. I salute Nari Hira for his contribution to publishing business.
Good evening. The most powerful, amazing, wonderful achievers, women that I have been exposed to is through SIP. Way back when I was in Delhi studying, and I used to read this magazine and read the courageous stories of these wonderful women. I mean, like, there was nothing but adulation for the sheer courage that these women had. And the courage of the magazine that was bringing it out. And everybody involved with the magazine, because it's very difficult. Women is so giving. Women they absorb, they just keep. They never want to share, especially their unhappinesses. It was Savvy's way of bringing those wonderful stories of these great, courageous achievers. I've never been, my shock or my admiration or me applauding hasn't reduced over the years. every time I read about the present day achievers, these savvy women, I mean, their stories, their journey, their achievements amaze me. I truly feel privileged. As Rohit said, one has had the great honor of being at many awards, but this is truly unique. And I'm very, very proud to be in the midst of you wonderful, savvy women. Men, I don't care.
सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान में ही नहीं बल्कि पूरी दुनिया में अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि ये बहुत इसेंशियल होता है कि हम औरतों को ना सिर्फ फेलिसिटेट करें बल्कि रिकग्निशन दें, उनको एम्पावर करें और उनको ये एहसास दिलाएं कि उनकी शक्ति क्या है, उनके बिना हम लोग नहीं जी सकते और वो हमारे स्ट्रेंथ है. दे आर द फोर्स बिहाइंड पीपल लाइक अस. They are the best support that we can get, and we really can't live without them. I think सबसे पहले तो जब से मैं छोटा था मेरी माँ ने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया, संस्कार सिखाए, लोगों से, दुनिया से प्यार करना सिखाया. उन्होंने अपना सब कुछ बलिदान करके मुझे एक अच्छा एजुकेशन दिया, एक अच्छी माँ बनकर अच्छी परवरिश की मेरी. तो उनसे मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है और उनसे ये भी सीखा है कि औरतों की इज्जत कैसे करना, उनको प्यार कैसे करना और उनको अच्छे से रखना.
I'm very happy for her. I mean, it's well deserved. She's truly a savvy woman. Very strong, independent woman, so I'm very happy for her.
अभी जो भी होगा May 16 को ही होगा, उसके पहले तो कुछ नहीं होगा. थैंक यू. पहले तो कुछ नहीं होगा, जो होगा May 16 को ही होगा.